There we are heading towards job. Bullshit motherfucking job that you fucking hate the most. But today is the day where we are going to execute the 1 hour time frame strategy in our $100,000 account, where it is minus 7.9% down, and we just have like $92 remaining to blow the fucking account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take from the $92, I'm going to like the risks $20, and I'm going to grow that $20 into $8,000. The complete plan is fully descripted in my vlog. If you want to see, you can fucking you don't give a fuck, you just wanted to know what is going to get happen. So today is a day, but the only thing is I won't be able to execute if I am not on my Mac, because I need seamlessly execution. So I don't know, brother. I have to accommodate with the mobile execution only. So I'm going to execute from my phone. I'm going to analyze the chart from my phone only. So how in the world, this is how I'm going to do, you know. It's fucking hard to do the trading every single 1 hour if we are in a job. So what my plan is that I'm going to go to washroom every single 1 hour, 5 minutes before 1 hour time over, so that I can go to washroom, analyze the chart quickly as possible, shortlist the trades, and then take the trade. Basically, once I shortlist, then I can just put the alarm and I just come out from washroom, and when the alarm rings, I will just go again back to the washroom, and I will keep moving it, keep doing it until we make some $200-300. Once I make that, I will show it to dad, see that this is what I'm doing, and then I will be like able to take one week entire holiday for doing this, to grow $20 into 8,000. Once I done that, we're good to go. So brother, the flower just fallen from the tree, somewhere down there it's fallen. All right boys, this is the whole fucking plan. Let's go. Signing off.
अड्डा कुठे ठेवलेला आहे हे म्हणताय चंदन
have 40% of battery backup left.
इथं असंच असतो का दूर? इथं दूरच असतो का? इथं म्हणजे दूरच असतो का? खूप दूरच असतो.
तरी 2 मशीन बस इकडे धुवा.
हां.
विशाल आला का रे? विशाल आला का?
नाही नाही तिकडे
गाडी तिकडे.
माझ्या गाडीवर सोडलं त्याला.
गाडी तिकडे.
हां कानेटिकला नाही सुमेशला. त्यानंतर तो कानेटिकला जाणार होता मग कसा गेला काय माहिती. तू येशील चालेल का तुला अरे
घालून तो काय
झालं कॅन्डल सी क्लोज झाली वी शुड टेक दिस स्ट्रेट
सिनियर काहीतरी करा झालं सरांनी मग सिनियर कर म्हणे करून टाक सिनियर कुठे सिनियर एकच वर्ष झाले 1.5 वर्ष झाले त्याला काय होतं म्हणे ज्युनियर मी ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये ज्युनियर लिहितो आणि ट्रेनिंग सर हे जे बोललं सिनियर केलं तिथं मी जाऊ काय घ्या ना खरंच घ्या काय लागत
It is a fucking spray right here. So this is literally is it. Our stop loss is going to be this, and our take profit is going to be this. I want to see. We took this trade based on the new updated strategy, and this is crazy. This thing is crazy, and look at what I'm doing. I'm doing the lunch.
एडिट तर सगळं करता येतं
So
एडिट तर सगळं करता येतं
every single thing what you want, we got. काही नको.
त्याच्यामुळं एडिट काय पेमेंट स्लिपवरच आहे बाकी कुठं काय आपण पेमेंट तिथंच एडिट नाही करायचं प्रामाणिकपणे जायचं प्रामाणिकपणे द्या
I will update to my community. This trade works now, brother.
आपला बिघडत नाही
We are golden. I risked $20 in this trade.
त्यांना घ्यायचं
So we started our $20 to $8,000. We're going to grow our $20 to $8,000.
खुदून नाही घेतला का तिथून जेवढे गेले चांगले नाही घेतले हो कंपनी चांगली घेतली
Done.
फ्रॉड करून हॅलो राव सगळे जायचं का मी ते स्कॅन केला
Strong.
हमारा आदमी ले लिया मैं भी अपना जो फूफा है ना उसमें अपने पास चलेगा कल अपना मार दूंगा ऐसे बोलने का हाँ तो जैसे आपकी बात मैंने तो दिया था उसको अभी मैं ले चाहूँ पर अपना मैं इसको डाले जाऊँगा मुझे ऊपर अपना मेरे मेरा काम नहीं बोलने का वही कल सकाल में आके डाल दिया मुझे तब नहीं जाने आप बोलो तो अपना आदमी रखते सब जो होता हमारा भाई तो आज काम लेके सरवा समझा सिस्टम को खा दे लेंगे सरवा वाली सौ को मार घर तो अपना बोली कर रहा हो Kan dari dari koma saja. Nah, itu dia mas. Tapi kita kali dari dah. Bola. Kali. Ya, ambil barat. Kali itu kali. Ada kali kali. Kali kali. Apa kali? Không còn mà ai mà gần gần như thế các bạn lên cái xe gần như là kalau sebenarnya antara kamu dua orang itu dalam masa mana berbeda. Ada benda di situ lah. Saya ada yang berbicara ini. Boleh nak kamu terbilang bos? Hai bos. Hai bos, okey. Ini nama itu juga tak, jangan awak cakap kami bersedia bersama ini kita jadi sesuai nama pasal. Untuk dia ada banyak lagi contoh produksi itu, masalah betul betul. Itu ada juga. Ada yang ini kata lah, itu semuanya. Batunya. Apa bola? Naik batu bola. Dia karena upaya untuk jaga umari kembali ke बाद कहाँ से हम करते हैं वो अपन पाई बनाई करने के बाद हम क्या करें जब ये बात वो वाला और तो उसमें चल बंगों वाला नाई और जो रोल पर तो खा के लेते हैं वो काम है या मगर लेके देते हैं बाकी जो है तो मेरा और बाकी मेरे तो पत्ता है लाइन से रख है और उसके अंदर इसके बाद और पावर का तो पेपर नीचे में काटे तो हो जाता तो हो जाएगा अगर तो गाड़ी का फोटो तो उठा लेना हो तो कभी उठा लो और हमारा कुछ हो जाए भला भला मेरा वो नीचे में कहीं भेजे नहीं भला भला मेरा भला ऐसा मेरे दो जगह का ठीक है आप लोग इसको आवा हरिया नहीं तो गाड़िया में घुस जाए हो गया अंदर देखना दारू में कोको कोला डाल के कीड़ा डाल के पिए लगा थोड़ा लग रहा है थोड़ा बढ़िया थोड़ा प्राइस बहुत बेकार है प्राइस हमसे ना पिए लगा पर भी बड़ बड़ जो आदमी वाला दारू पीने वाला ना ब्रांड पिए ना उनको पीछे काट के पानी डाल के सब बोला पिए ना पानी में डाल के पिए ना करेगा जरेगा क्या मालूम जरेगा ना करे बढ़िया से जरेगा थोड़ा करेगा तो पता ना चले मीठा डालेगा बातों में तो बुद्धि झगड़ा चला मार देगा ऊपर फर्क पड़ेगा बनता होला होता ना लेकिन जब पानी चढ़ना रहेगा ऐसे करेगा धक्का मारेगा मारेगा तो डोरा डाल के पिया नहीं तो पेट दूर में पिए वही बड़ा एक बना होगा तो हुआ पिया में रहला ना जीरा वाला आएगा जीरा थोड़ा बड़ा बढ़िया बढ़िया लाए जैसे क्या बोले मेरा साहब चल बढ़िया थे रउआ की कपड़ा कितना बाल सब नहीं आ रहे उतनी लेट आई तो पहले आई वो गारंटी रहता था ना वो बावेला वो गारंटी ना उनका दोनों लड़का पिए चाहेगा पिए में खाली हमला बोलते पिए ना गलत कोई नहीं सब तरह की दुनिया में लेकिन जो बात तो बोले को बोल रहे हो ना तो समझते हो ना सब बोल रहे हो देखिए ना रही तो खाली चढ़ाते आते रहे वो लोग घरवा जाकर चलिए तो ऐसे हो बतिया लड़का आई ना कई बार तो बढ़िया तो झगड़ा हो गई वो एक चक्कर ऊपर यही सही है हाँ उसके बाद तो मैंने देखा वो बहुत खराब निकलता है क्योंकि जैसे करेगा तो लोग इतना आएगा हम पहले वाला हमसे सबका खाना तो लड़की हो जाती ना हम तो बतिया बताओ देखो इसका सुखाव था ना तो ना हुआ कि जैसे पहले दो वाला ना तो वो लड़की है आज हो रहा तो वो सही कर ना सब लोग सोचत रहे लड़की हो भगवान ने तो लड़का ये देश के लिए लड़की हाँ कुछ भी होगा लेकिन सबका भी और तो बंद होगा ना लड़की वो लड़का हमको होते ना लड़की का कपड़ा मिली का सामान को बना दिया है अच्छा जब लड़के हो तो बता है लड़की का ये लड़का जरूरी पाप मिलेगा भरे के पड़ेगा जैसे कैला होकर दूसरा जगह दिया तो उसका जिंदगी में ना भरवा कहो फूका ओके पाप ना बोला जाला अब पाप के सारे जो है तो के हम होते हैं
डिस्ट्रेट बोलता है
ये राजा कर लो इसी को अनोखे लोग करवा लगा कर आओ पर बहुत भगवान आ अगर बात भैया राजा कर सारी जरूर एक दूसरी सेवा करती ना तो बस नहीं करोगे तो हमको ठगाई उठा कर रखो उठाए जरा खड़ा होगा परिया उठे यहाँ पर क्यों देना पड़ेगा पानी दिया ना अच्छा के बाद तो जोड़ पूरी साथ लगा लगा है तो बंदी पैसे ना रहा है जंगले के मारा बस बंदी उठा कर डाल ना हाथों से बंदा बदलाए जगह में कर लो तो देखिए पूरी बस कैसे हो गए पर नहीं था बस ना बताओ तो उसे मारे नहीं क्यों मारने आज आपकी गलती आपकी जब अच्छी बड़ी गलती उठा के आ रखो हमारे साथ गलती काम करो मैं नहीं करूँगा अरे तुमको करा नहीं किसी का तुमको पाप नहीं कर इसका दिल करता है ना तुम्हारा मर्जी से बात है ना इसका दिल जो दिखाया है वही तुमको पाप करा यही बात मैं यही दिमाग रखता हूँ कभी भी लड़की करो बढ़ दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है जाए नहीं का दान मार करना यार क्या मतलब काटा होगा तो निर्भर होगी तकना सही है
Okay, boys, we reached home, and we found our specs. I just hate what happens today. I missed the winning trade and I took the losing trade. How in the world I have done this? How the fucking world I've done this? You know what? I'm coming into the camera just a second. Oh, you won't even believe. I'm so frustrated right now. How I didn't saw that I'm selling at the lowest point of that particular move. How in the world I didn't saw? That is why I'm losing. Don't worry. It's a 5 o'clock, nearly 5 o'clock. We'll analyze the next currencies. First, let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's start with this. Yeah, I was listening to Andrew Tate. Man, this job has took my stop loss. Because I was in a job, I won't be able to saw that I was selling to a downside, and I just took the trade which is at the lowest point, and I missed it, and I decide to not to take the trade which is at a beautiful point, and I miss the trade which I took, which is on the lowest side. We should not sell on the bottom, which I did sell, and I hit the stop loss. And the trade which I have not taken, that hit the take profit. Sucks. Which was at the station was 12:30 to 1:30. So now we are getting ready. We are going to do the analysis of the market for 5:30 session, 5:30 hour session. So let's do it. This is not interested. Euro USD. Euro USD 1 hour bullish. 30-minute time frame is bullish right there. Nah, I'm not interested. Yeah, this looks good. 1 hour got bullish. Wait, before we do anything, let me check. 30-minute time frame is bearish. Is it? Is it? Yeah, it's bearish. Not even making sense. Yeah. So, what the? I have I have predicted. I missed this. Like, oh my god. 30 minute was not even bullish. Oh my god. 5 minute. Yeah, yeah. It was bullish, so we have to miss it. Hmm. Is it good? 1 hour bullish. Um, not liking it. NZJPY creating a new high. Once it creates, will not looking for taking any trade in that. GBP waiting for a tracement. Euro JPY waiting for the break or a break. Euro GBP, yeah, this looks solid. So we got bearish. I was looking the market at 10 exactly at this candle, and I was like, we should be not taking this trade, and we missed this. But well, in fact, doesn't looks good. Will not talk. I am doing it fast because only 20 minutes are like 10 minutes are there remaining. So I just wanted to shortlist the trades. Once that is done, then we can talk. This looking good for counter trade. Yeah, this is a trade which I missed. Beautiful. We got a break retest doji. I fucked up with the other trade. Um, it's just looking good. Weekly looks closing under. We can take the sell trade, but it's just not making sense. Sorry, no. USJPY. Wait a minute. I have saw this pattern earlier only. This looks solid. We coming breaking under. Um, I want to see my tools. Yeah, tools came out. PM. Okay, this is the thing where it is. There's a bunch of tool I need to reduce it. This is the one of the area of interest. Once it close like this, daily time. It looks good on the lower time frame. I mean, it looks good on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frame, it doesn't look good. I know it is going to go down. It's going to create a red candle over there. I know this. I know this. But the only thing I'm just not liking that we are in a sideways zone. Maybe if we get closer under this, I need that closer under that. Once that is done, we're good. This is crazy, yeah. This is fucking crazy, yeah. This is literally a crazy thing. Bearish. I don't know, yeah. So sorry, once it close. But the only thing is two candles are coming in the middle of the road. Like whenever we are above, we buy. Above, we buy. Above, we buy. Above, we buy. Go away. Euro cat. What the? I didn't. Now it's clear. Yeah, Eurocat looks good to me. Let's do it fast. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. Is it? Um, the 5 minute will get bearish once it come to the area of interest. That is the con right here, which this is the area of interest on the 1 hour time frame. Area of interest on the 30 minute is bearish. Oh, 30 minute is bullish. 30 minute is bullish. Okay, so 15th minute. Yeah, this looks solid. This little looks solid. Let's consider this. But only issue is a 5 minute will get bearish, but then we have to wait for bullish. Okay, there is a little bit working over here. All right, 1 hour higher high. Man, we missed that trade. Yeah, we would end up flip grow our $20 to $60 easily. Yeah, just that mistake. I took the sell trade at the lowest point in the move. That is a regret like anything. But don't worry, I'm just not taking the trade just because of I I'm in regret. Absolutely not. That's a beginner trader do. I'm a professional trader. Even though I'm in regret, that doesn't even makes that doesn't even make any decision on my trading. I have to follow the rules regardless of how frustrated I am. 15 minute is higher low. Okay. So just wanted to make it more good. Okay. No, not okay. Hold on. The area of interest. Okay, this is it. This is this. This is this. This looks solid. Alright, but just one last confirmation. This is the higher eye. 30 minute. This is the higher. This is the higher low. We created a corner. I just wanted to figure out the proper area of interest. We need to find it. Which I believe the proper area of interest will be this. But the matter of fact, if I just take that down, then the 1 hour 30 minute time frame, this area of interest will not even make sense. So we need to regain that and just want the trade to make sense. If that trade makes sense, it makes sense. Alright, it's having a retracement towards our area of interest, which is what is going to make 5 minute to go bearish. But once 5 minute got bearish, then we'll need to wait for 5 minute to go bullish. Once 5 minute got bullish, then we will be taking the trade. Once retracement and engulfing happen, then we'll take the trade. So we need to type it. I like this trade. I really like this trade. Alright, so weekly time frame is bullish. I'm considering 1 hour time frame as a weekly time frame. Daily time frame is also bullish. 4 hours time frame, 4 hours is equals to 15 minute time frame is also bullish. 80 is 30. We are waiting for retrace to area of interest, and the second thing is 5 minute to go bullish. Then we wait for break and retest and engulfing on 5 minute. We're looking for buy. I'm not gonna lie. The text size, can we pump it down? Yeah, perfect. Alright, Eurocat, I like it. I really like it, Eurocat. This is GBP and it's bullshit. Oh my god. We got DD. Why you did this? Why you fucking did this with me? 5 minute. Why you even did this with me, huh? 16. Okay. My ears are like big. Oh my god, my ears. My that thing just comes up till here because I was surrounded with so big machines. Shit, yeah, shit happen. See, we are selling at the lowest point of the move. It shouldn't be. I must be selling. Look at this, like how in the world I have took the decision to do this. Just because of that, the such type of liquidity grab things happens. Crazy guy. Uh, should be typing it over here. Look for only buys. We are at the lowest point, and I should be understanding this. Yeah. How in the world I just didn't even saw this coming. Bullshit. AUD USD. Can we have the counter trend trade? Well, no. This is the higher low. I will update all of this. Just wanted to like shortlist the trades which we can have it. Not interested. Say to JPY. No, absolutely not. Euro NZD. Well, looks good. Uh, it looks good. Oh my god, it looks good for the next 1 hour session. So pretty much we're going to take. How in the world? Who message? Who message? What? Sandesh. I thought my friend messaged me. Yeah, shit happened. How I got so happy, but it doesn't work like this. Okay, we were doing again the same mistake. Look at where are we? Thank God I pressed the button. Like wow. Look at where are we?
You have 60% of battery backup left.
We are at the lowest point in the move. Shouldn't be buying. Sorry, we shouldn't be selling. We should always be looking for buying. So I am also going to go with this lower high, lower. I'm going to type it over here that I am not looking for sell. I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy. Let me pump up the text. Looking to buy. Looking to buy. Only. Looking to buy. Bearish. 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 We can. I need to keep this update so that the next time we will be coming to the market, we'll be knowing exactly what is going on. AUD NZD. Okay. Oh, it is going to create a doji or need the candlestick. This is also looking good for the next 1 hour. AUD NZD. This looks good. A lot good. Like a lot good. So this is the 1 hour higher high. This is the 1 hour higher low. 31. Okay, so we will be waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest. Yeah, waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. We can take the sell trade from here to here, but no need of that. That is going out of every single thing, and I don't want to do this. 30-minute higher high, 30-minute higher low. Yeah, this looks solid, brother. This looks solid. Whenever we're under we sell, above we buy. So we're just waiting for price to come back to this area of interest to take the sell to take the trip buy trade to the upside. Leong, Lavang. This looks solid to me. Do we have any notes over here? There was no notes. Need to type it over here again. Oh man. Oh yeah. Huh. Weekly is bullish. POWL ISH. Daily time frame is bullish as well. Yeah, it's bullish. 4 hours time frame, that is 15-minute time frame, is also bullish. Also bullish. This looks solid. This really looks solid. So we got 30-minute, 3 time frame in sync. We're looking for buy, waiting for area of interest, waiting for retracement to area of interest. Why the Mac is getting hot? It's getting hot now. The 15-minute higher high, 15th of minute higher low. Okay, so we waiting for this. All right, looks good. Looks really looking good to me. Um, yeah, for the next session, which is from 1830 to 1930, looking good to me. NZD CAD. Oh, this is also solid, brother. Now this is what I was talking. I need some prices have been past data. Does this bullshit trade we took the GBP and ZD, we were completely at the lowest point? Doesn't even make sense. Nah, this week out thing was going to get happen just because of we were selling at the lowest point in the move. AUD and ZD, we just talk about that. NZD CAD looking so brilliantly beautiful. I was looking to take the trade right here, but I didn't took the trade. Oh my god, we got a single thing. So yeah. Alright, but does, oh my god, this looks solid, brother. This is the area of interest on the 1 hour time frame. This does looks good, not enough at a 1930 to 2030. This looks good because now it just came. Now it have to create. You have to stop. It have to create either doji or stop candle. So it needs to fluctuate that much to actually make sense. So we can just this 1 hour. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Where are we in the move? Well, we are at the highest point, but we can come till here. We'll see. We'll see. 1 hour high and high. Considering this as a weekly time frame, considering this as a daily time, this looks solid, brother. This does look solid. 30-minute IRI. Man, just because I was in job, I just don't able to have the access of the big screen. Miss the beautiful opportunities. 15-minute IRI, 15-minute D, higher low. Oh. Higher low. Oh. Mac is getting hard here. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't do this. 5-minute higher high. Every single thing in market happens for a reason. This looks solid. 5-minute higher low. So what are we waiting for over here? Waiting for the holy shit, this weekly time frame just started, right? Oh shit, it just started. We have 1 hour time. We can certainly look into for buying because we just started, right? Still bullish on this as well. Wait a minute. If we are looking like this, what will say? We'll not wait for 1 hour engulf on a candlestick. You know what? Just fuck off. NZUSD. Ah, sideways. Not interested. So only one trade. How much trade we are looking into? Only one trade. Euro CAD. Well, it just we just avoided a stop loss of what looks like that. So we were waiting for the price to come back to reject this. I mean, retrace this area of interest and the 5 minute time frame to create the bullish. Go bullish. It never happens. Never took the trade. Well, when it does going to close under this, we can take the sell trade. Look into taking the sell trade. So from 1730 to I just don't like it. Now we have passed through that area of interest. Doesn't like it. Don't like it. So we will be doing the analysis of the market for uh, for 1830 to 1930 time session. So let's be ready for that. We'll come back at 1815 to do the analysis of the session of 1830 to 1930. Signing up, boys. This is there will be no trades for this session from 1730 to 1930. This looks solid. If this candlestick close under these two candles, and if this going to be closed like an engulfing, we can take the counter trade from here to here. This looks solid. Guys, we'll be seeing a lot more actions pretty soon. Signing off. Peace. Alright boys. It's a 1816. So let's do the analysis for the session which is going to start at 1830 to 1830 to 1930. So let's start with this. Again, GBP CAD. This is well, if this closing like a dozy, I need the 30-minute time frame to go bearish. My god, the phone is inside. Just a second. Just a second, okay? Slowing down later. Just a second. Da, 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 da. I'm back. My phone was inside the house, so it was just not loading. GBK, right? We were looking at this. Need a 30 minute to shift our structure. It never, not interested. Euro USD on the other hand looks good. Created a new lower low. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, looks literally looks good. So yeah, today morning we have avoided a loss right there. um. Okay. No, I'm not interested. This is the lowest point. It haven't created a lower high. No, no, no. Yeah, now this is looks good. Create a new low. Beautiful. Yeah, my god, this is literally you guys are going to see the live trading pretty soon. Pretty. Looking to buy 30 minute to go bullish. Well, this is not the case. We are not even selling the lowest point. We are doing good over here. 1 hour time frame is currently bullish. Oh. The structure is bearish. Okay, I need daily time frame to be bearish at least. Don't say this. 30 minute. This is the higher high, and this is the higher low. Sorry, sir. I just can't take this trade. It's not that much valid. I just wanted to take the high probable setup. That is literally is it. We creating the dozy lower low in no. As it is JPY, no sideways. GBP AUD. We creating the doji. I need 30 minute to bullish. No bullish pray. No trade. Now it's getting out from the sideways zone. We getting the break. We need to create the lower high. We just can't take the trade. Euro GBP. Well, we close down 30, no round, no trade. Smaller to take the high probability trade. That is literally is it what I'm actually looking into. No trade. Euro odd. Dozy creating that Dozy, huh? I now no trade. AUD JPY. Oh, looks good. If 30 minute is bearish, we can take the counter trend trade. No, there was no bearish, no trade. Oh wait, where are we in the move? It's not. Yeah, we're doing again mistake. Look at this. We just not look. No, no, brother, not at all. Should just not look into this. This is the higher high, the higher low. Just looking to take this. Looking to sell. Can't buy. BUY at the top. Yeah. GJ. Okay. GJ. Just a second. Well, 1 hour is bullish. How about 30 minute is? 30 minute is bearish. Yeah, this will work. 1 hour time frame. We structure closed below. Okay, we close like this. Close below. Okay, 30-minute time frame. Well, it looks sideways to me. Below. No, it's. I don't know. It's. If it taking my. Yeah, it's side. Yeah, it's having a long mixer. It's sideways now. No. This is like a whole absolutely big. No, look at this. Oh, that is only the reason I want to get because it just like doesn't follow the things which you wanted to. Euro CAD. This trade looks solid. I know we have the algorithm for this. This is literally is it. We are pulling up with a beautiful trade. 15 minutes now getting bullish. 5 minute time frame is still bearish. Well, this is 5 minute lower low. 5 minute lower high. Okay, beautiful. This looks beautiful. Let me just go again and let's do it top down properly. Where are we in the move at the lowest point? We can buy over here. We can't sell at the lowest point, but we can buy at the lowest point. We got the break. Doji, it is going to go to the upside. So now we are shifting again back to bullish on the 30-minute time frame. We were already bullish. We're shifting back to bullish on the 15-minute time frame. That's the higher high. That's the higher low. This is new higher high. This is new higher low. Bullish. Pretty good. On the 5 minute time frame, that means on the 1 hour time frame, the way we wanted to have the break, a clean retracement, and then clean engulfing to take the trade. If that is going to get happen, this is going to beautifully create. This is it. This literally is it. Look at this. It's happening in front of you guys. I'm just very much interested into this. So what I want is we got the retrace to area of interest. Now we want the 5 minute to go bullish, which is I think so it's got. Okay, so 5 minute is about to get bullish. Now we just need to wait for retracement and engulfing. That is literally is it. 5 minute higher high, 5 minute the higher low. 5 minute got bullish. Now we just wait for break. Now we just wait for retracement and engulfing on 5 minute. This is it. Now we just have to wait for retracement and engulfing on the 5 minute time frame. How a bump up this too. So yeah, this is literally is it. Now we just wait for the retracement to the area of interest. Now, well over, this is going to be our new area of interest. 1 hour time frame. It's going to be updated area of interest because we have already rejected that thing. Right or wrong? Absolutely right. This is going to be new higher high. It's going up with this. It's going to be this. And yeah, this literally is it. Like this is I love this trade. Yeah. This is what I'm actually looking into. The main thing we need to now we are buying, right? Where are we? Yeah, this looks solid. Whenever we are above, we buy, and this is exact same trade, man. This is exact same trade we are looking into. This is literally crazy. We will be above the EMA. This is it. This is literally is it, and I think so. We should be considering the EMA because previously we considered the EMA and that EMA thing works a lot. Good works. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, this EMA is the previous structure area of the 5 minute time. This is crazy. I love this is going to be my number one trade. EuroCAD, you coming in my seat. But before I do, where are we buying? We are buying at the lowest point. Where are we? At the lowest point. We can buy at the lowest point. But we can't sell at the lowest point. Beautiful. Next is, are we bullish every single thing? 1 hour time frame is bullish. 30-minute time frame. Just want to check this. This is the lower high, lower low, bullish. Yeah, 30-minute is bullish. 15-minute is bullish as well. Like it. Aha. This is crazy. We're going to make money. If we're going to come to market to make money, brother, we're going to lose money. I'm coming to market to actually trade the market. I don't care to make money or lose money. Just don't care. EuroCAD. If this candlestick close above the EMA, then we're going to consider that EMA thing. If not, then we're just coming back. Next is GBP and ZD. This fucking shit. Don't want to see this currency here. AUD looks good, but where are we? Where are we? We are on the top is top. I don't want to do any mistake again. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. We're waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. We came back. Looking good to me. Uh, no. No means no. USD CAD, we are at the toppest point, not interested. CHJPY looks good, but it's sideways zone. This is the higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, break. We got the 30-minute time from bearish. Well, it looks good. It looks good. It does looks good. Now it doesn't look good. We're at the lowest point of the 1 hour time from now. No. AUD and ZD. This looks cool for buying, but we are still waiting for price to come back to this area of interest. Let's wait more. It haven't came. Oh, this looks good. NZD CAD, brother. NZD CAD. Now what I should say. Look at this. We got the retracement. We locked the engulfing candle. This is going to be our trade, dear brother. This right there is going to be our trade. But actually, this is not going to be our trade. No lagging, right? No lagging. Oh. Yeah, because this is lower high, this is lower low. I would never end up taking this trade. This is not our trade. No need to worry. Not interested. So currently, this is second. We just have only one currency for 1830. That is this. Okay, so it is not closing above, so we need to come back. So I look like alien, isn't it? When I yawn. I need to see when how it's close. Okay. I don't have to lose her. I don't want to lose her. When the Mac is getting hotter, it shouldn't, man. Why? So now this candle has to
It's
close
18:30.
above this candle. This candle. Wait a minute, just a second. This is the highest point. This candle close above. Perfect. So we are officially 4 hours time frame. That is 15-minute time frame is bullish. I like it. So we have closed like this. Let me just decide the area of interest as fast as possible. Quicker. Yeah, this is gonna be the area of interest. Done. The 15-minute time frame is gonna be this. We can technically keep this as an area of interest, but then that will be like that will no make sense for having a retracement. Uh, and thus we can keep this as an area of interest. But can we keep this as an odd area of interest? The question to ask, and the answer I'm getting, does that make sense? One, two, three. Let's go step by step. 1 hour time frame. We create we ah, this will be not the area of interest when it is this candle haven't created. So this candle have already rejected the original area of interest. We need to go on a daily time frame to create to daily and the 4 hours time frame to mark the area of interest. So this is a daily daily area of interest. This is a 4 hours area of interest. This is the highest point. Is a previous structure area. This is one structure is also getting consumed over here. 1 hour time frame. Meow meow. It's not yet perfect. The 1, 2, 3. This has to be happen. 50-minute time frame. Yeah, we do got this as well. Let me just remind that area of interest we have extended. We were having the 1 hour lower high. In this case, we don't have the 1 hour lower high right there. But this makes sense to me. Technically, yeah, man, this brightness is so much, man. Oh my god. I don't have to lose her. Let's finish 1 hour. 1 hour is already been done. 30-minute time frame. This structure. Um, braver for the structure only. 15-minute time from the area of interest doesn't make sense, so I can bump this area of interest. We can bump this area of interest till here. 1, 2, yeah, perfecto. Okay, so 5 minute is right now creating that engulfing candle. Wait a minute. If this candle close about that red candle, we can take this trade officially. This is going to be our stop loss 7.4 plus 1 8.4. We have to calculate the stop lot size calculator funded next. 53, 52, 51. Need also check the 1 minute time frame. Man, this looks solid, yeah. Oh my god! Just close. We need to do it fast. What is EuroCAD? Lot size, profit loss, EuroCAD. EURCAD. Oh my god! I forgot to turn on the. My god! It's closing above. It's closing above. It's closing above. Found it. Found it. Find fast 0.5. Calculate. We need to risk $20. 25. 26. Oh no! And to calculate the lot size through here. 2, 1. Haven't closed. Now for next 10 minutes we can take the rest. Because it has to create the red candle and then it is going to create the blue candle. Two blue candles is not engulfing for me. Yeah, we can certainly skip this machine on. Wait a minute, man. This is going to calculate the lot size instantly rather than going back and forth and doing all of these things. Just need to add a stop loss right there, and that is literally is it. Ta-da. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Nickelodeon. Not a loser. Oh, is it loaded? Is it? Is it? Is it? Journal. Oh, this is a wine. Wine, wine. Oh, we haven't logged in. Ka. Tudum. Hey. Kazala Windows Server, back, build, memory, news, experts. I just not understanding have we logged in or not. Login. I really don't know. No, we haven't logged in. Let's try other. Wait. 1 minute time frame. Does this is moving? No, it's not moving. That means we haven't logged in. This one. No. I think I have to create a new account. झालं काहीतरी झालं नाही झालं. I think I have to create a new account. Alright boys, I will create a new account and we'll come back with pretty soon. Yeah, I fucking told you, huh? Fucking told you, huh? It was lagging. I told you. It needs to create a red candle, then it is going to create a blue candle to the upside. So before it do, I have to open this. Signing off boys, we'll come back. Hello there. So we are back on the terrace. Just to big mom is going to come, so won't be able to analyze. So look at this. We have beautifully avoided a loss in this session. We were waiting for the break, right? We got the break. So now we were waiting for the retracement. We got the retracement, but we didn't. But then we were waiting for the engulfing candle. We didn't got the engulfing candle. Avoided a loss. So now we're going to do the analysis for the 1930 to 2030. 1930 to 2030. This is the last session of the today's trade. If we're going to close like this, I need 30 minutes to go bearish. 30 minutes not bearish. Not interested. Next is this. Not interested. It's too low. Well, this can work. Why this? 1 hour time frame is 1 hour time frame is actually bullish. So hold on. Let me just do it. Higher high. 1 hour is bullish. Technically, every single time frame of this is bullish, so we just can't take the sell trade. If you're going to take the sell trade right here, it will be issue, a damn issue. Okay, higher low. All right, so not interested. Okay, so this is next is cat JPY. Not interested at all. It's NZT JPY. Looks good, but still not interested. It's not interested. If it is not coming, makes sense right away. Just not. Just literally not. Euro JPY, not interested. Now it looks good. Euro GBP looks good to me. It is looking good to me. It is looking good. Kind of. 5-minute is bullish. We need 5-minute to go bearish. We'll see. Okay, so overall lower low, lower high. Overall is bearish. Structure doesn't make sense now. Got bearish as well. We can delete this. So now we're creating the enclosure under that. It's 19:25 a.m. That's why the alarm was like, I like the current market, brother. It was like this. So this is the lowest low. This is the lower high point of the move. Well, we are bearish as well in this. Looks good. 15-minute. This is the lower low. 15-minute. This is a lower high. We got the retracement. Just what we need now. I just need the 5-minute time frame to go bearish. That is all we need. If we got this, we will be able to take the trade. 5-minute to go bearish. So this is what we want right now. 5 minutes right now is this is the higher high, and this right there is the higher low. So what we need is it's pump up, create a new higher low, break, retest, engulfing, bam. This will be a beautiful trade. This happens, we'll be taking this trade for sure, because it looks so beautiful. Like, this looks brilliantly beautiful. It is also like matching when a new candle is going to get formed. It pretty much create the week to the upside. That week is going to be creating the higher high, new higher high on a 5-minute time frame. Looks solid. AUD CAD so on top, absolutely not interested. Euro odd so on down, absolutely not interested. AUD JPY, well, we are approaching to the highest level of this current move, which is looking good to me, but we can't buy at the highest toughest point. GJ, we are under this area. We are now 1 hour is bearish. Yeah, this looks solid. We got the left and right shoulder. We're getting an engulfing candle off this. We already break and retest of this. This looks solid, brother. Why didn't I even consider this? Okay, so 1 hour is bullish. Yeah, this looks solid, yeah. What the fuck I was doing? This is the 1 hour higher high. 1 hour higher low. Pretty fast. We need to do the fastest possible. 30-minute lower low, higher high, higher low, lower low. This is 30-minute is pretty much creating the 30-minute lower low, 30-minute lower high, 30-minute lower high. Currently this is the lower low, that is the lower high. We will be keep typing as we progress. The weekly is bearish, daily is, oh my god, there's so much mosquitoes. Have you saw that? Have you saw the lot? Like, there is this much of more amount of mosquitoes just fly on from my hand right now. 15-minute, that is this looks solid. This is really brilliant. Wait a minute. 15-minute got bearish, then got bullish, then again got bearish. This is the 15-minute lower low. This is the 15-minute lower high. Okay, so 15 minute is bearish as well, so we got 3 time frame in sync. And well, as well, we are bearish on the 5 minute time frame. This is really good. This is really looking good to me. 5 minute lower low, 5 minute lower high. Yeah, brother. I just don't want this candlestick close above. If this candlestick close above, then it will get bullish. Then we have to wait for full 5 minute to get bearish. So GJ, I like it. 5 minute engulfing. Let's talk about that. We wait for 5 minute engulfing candle. So we're looking for sell. This looks solid. GJ, GBP, JPY. Look at this Euro JPY. If we are going to sell Euro JPY to the downside, this should go up. Oh, there is a news. I think so. Yeah. Something is wrong over here. Some correlation is not working over here. That means somewhere on the line we are completely wrong. 1 hour is pretty much sideways, not interested. Euro CAD. Look at this. In the Euro CAD, we have beautifully avoided a loss right here, which in fact we can take the sell trade, update and modified. This candlestick close like this. I need this candlestick.
It's 19:30.
Under this time frame, which haven't closed. Yeah, haven't closed. Not interested. Well, 15 minute break retest. It will bana retest and then no bana trade हो जाएगा फिर वो. So this is the bullshit trade. Not interested at all. AUD USD. I mean the trade was good, but the trader was bullshit because he executed the wrong trade, which shouldn't be. AUD USD. So we created a new high on the highest high. Not interested at all. USD CAD on the other hand looks good. We need the doji right there. 30 minute to bearish. No, so we need the 1 hour doji. If not something. CHJPY 30 minute. This looks like this is going to create an engulfing kind of to the upside. We can take the trade on the next session, but we're just going to stop after 8:30 because that is where the volume just dies. Not looking good. Euro NZD not good. AUD NZD. This is exactly what we predicted. This is what I'm talking, brother. This is what I'm talking about. We're predicting, but we're not taking because it's just not coming to the area of interest the way we wanted to. Next is NZD CAD. Looks good. NZD CAD looks good. This is lower low. It doesn't look good at all. It was looking good, but it's not now. So NZD USD, which is coming out of the sideways zone, looks cool. Look at how much opportunities we're getting. It just looks good. Because if we're going to get a lot more opportunities, that means we will be able to get a lot more opportunities. That's just like to make money, to lose money, like so on and so forth. Euro GBP, we're waiting for the retracement. Well, we got the retracement on 30 minute time frame, but I believe we will be able to have one more time retracement on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, yeah. So now that area of interest is already done, so we probably need to extend this area of interest until this kit covers on the 15 minute time frame, because you can choose like this 1 hour. I mean, no, this is not a valid area of interest. Well, this is the valid on the 30 minute, kind of valid. It's not valid on the 1 hour. It's not valid right there. This is kind of valid right there. 15 minute, 5 minute break, retest. Yes, sir. This is a valid area of interest. This right there is a valid area of interest. We'll see, because we have already rejected this area, so we can consider these weeks and the structure of the 1 hour time frame, this weeks and this structure and this week on the daily time frame, and this all of the things, all the sideways thing, consider as the 4 hours time frame. This is the, we need 5 minutes to go break and then read it, so it looks solid, brother. It just looks solid. So I love this. When we got the break, then we'll wait for the retracement to take the trade to the downside. If this is probably going to get happen, we just need to figure out how in the world we're going to, because look at, whenever we're under we sell, whenever we're under sell, whenever we're above we buy. So like this, I really like this trade. Personally believe it's just pretty much going, no, this is a fair value gap as well of the 1 hour time frame. Yes sir, this looks good. I like this, the way we have plotted the area, because the problem is, if we just keep over here, it's just going to shift all over the place bullish. Is it, let's actually see right here. This is 1 2 3, this is this bullish break retest. Oof. Doop-de-doo. That is sucking. So let's keep this as an area of interest only. Are we gonna do this really? 1 2. Personally feeling like to do all of this, like structure to body structure will be great. I mean, we can take this a little bit down, but not that much. Yeah, now it does make sense, because we considering this as well, we considering 1 hour low. Yeah, now it does make sense. Yeah, brother, now it really makes sense a lot more than previously. Yes sir, like it. So we need to break, first get bearish and then retrace, and then taking the trade to the downside. Yeah, this is also the 1 hour 1 minute EMA. Beautiful, like this looks crazy. We're going to add the alarm right here. Alarm added, added. What we are waiting for over here? It's GJ looks sideways to me right there. We got the break. We create the angle thing. Like what? It does looks good on the lower time frame. Really, it does looks good. Wait a minute. 1 hour time frame is bullish. Let me just type it over. 1 hour time frame is bullish. 30-minute time frame, crazily bearish. Okay, crazily bearish. All right, but this is gone. We just can't. Yeah. So Euro GBP is going to play up. I can literally 99% can guarantee that it's gonna work. Euro GBP is gonna work. I can say this pretty confidently, because now 4 hours is getting bullish. So we just have only one time frame in sync, that is a daily bearish. If this is this kind of thing, so that means the going lower, going to the downside, which we are actually looking for, is very less probable than going upside, which is very high probable. Which is issue for us as well. Look at this Euro GBP. Okay, so if this is going to go up, then this is going to go down. This looks solid, so pretty much going to go down. It's pretty much going to go down. I like this trade. Euro GBJPY. This is a Euro GBP shortlisted. GBPJPY we excluded that trade. So Euro GBP is only the one which I'm pretty much currently looking into. That is literally okay, this is literally it. That was fun thing. All right, brother. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Also, I want to show you the things which I have. Yeah, brother. Thank you so much. I just remembered. Now we have to Euro GBP. Add Euro GBP over here. Can you see Euro GBP? No, Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Ding, ding, ding. Na, 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 na. Just a second. I just want Euro GBP over here. Hide all, please. Euro GBP. Templates. Mac. So, oh, काका position में काय काय झालं. So this is it, just a minute. Discount. काय झालं. So we're looking for shots. I just want to preset this all. Yeah, brother, it's coming. Oh, this video is on, right? Thank you. Waiting for the. No, we need to get first bearish. I want this price to close under this EMA, under this line, and then come back. Right now, coming back is scam. Not going to go down if you just come back right now. Ask me now what you wanna do, huh? Just ask me, brother. Ask me, sister. Ask me. I don't know what I can call this chart. I'm just going to be interested once it breaks under or breaks above. Oh, if it's breaking above, I don't want to even see that, because if we are going transparently from one point to another, that means this box is not that much valid, so we should not looking to take the trade based on that trade. I think so next 30 minutes it's going to be closing like this, and next 30 minutes it's going to pump to the downside. Looks like the price action. It's creating that line. Sundar, Ati Sundar, Euro GBP. I love the short trade. We're risking whole $20 right here. No, 100%. $20 one way commission 3.5, exactly how it should be. Perfect. So now it's really instant. Yeah, just a second, I will also add the stop loss. If this is creating a lower high and then it's going to create the lower low and then it's going to create the lower high again, we still need the price to come back. I need this price to touch there and then create a lower low and then create the lower high and then engulfing. So this will be a stop loss if it is going to be highest point of that lower high. 1.6, added 2.6 right here, 2.6. so this is going to be our stop loss for this particular trade. Stop loss is going to be this paste. So look at this is literally is going to calculate us our lot size, how much I should be taking the lot size right now. Look at this is our stop loss price, this is the entry, but I'm just not gonna take the entry right here until and unless we got the break, we got the retracement, we got that engulfing. Without engulfing, I just can't take the trade. That is a proof. Take it or leave it. That is what we can talk about. Alright, boys, we'll come back whenever we want. Whenever this happens, if this happens under 2030, then we'll take the trade. If this happens after 2030, I don't give a fuck. That is how it should be. Alright, boys, let's come back. Hey there. So just a second, yeah, it's Apple Music. I just don't know what the song is, but it looks good. So yeah, we do the analysis for 1530 session, 1830, 1930. Now we done the 2030 session. No, 1930 to 2030 session is ongoing. So there is no trade. I mean, we continuously avoiding these losses. Yeah, we continued avoiding the losses, brother. This is brilliant. Looks like tomorrow we'll be having a lot more good amounts opportunities because the market today haven't moved. It's just like sideways. Tomorrow, if today is sideways, tomorrow is going to be trending. If this is so, then that will be awesome. So, oh my god, the brightness. Shit. So now, what we are going to do, like what I'm actually doing, side by side, like I'm doing the live market analysis. Once that is done, I mark the area of interest. I wait for the things to be happen, like price come to that area of interest. Until that, I'm just doing my back testing. This is the back testing. Shit, I just don't want to see to the screen. So we're just doing the back testing right here. So yeah, this is pretty much it is. And one more thing is, like, look at this brilliant thing is, look at this right there. This is a trade which is coming around, and it's a Wednesday. I just need to follow, like, we just need to finish Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 3 days, 3 days analysis, and that will be great. Why this is taking time a lot? Because in one day there is like a nearly 16 to 17 hours. So every single 17 hours for one currencies. We are going to analyze for 17 hours, 17 times one currencies. We have a 28 different currencies to nearly 17 times 280. How much it is? No, 17 times 17 times analyzing the first currency. So look, 17 times we're analyzing the first currency. So we have 28 different currencies. So nearly 476. If within a day we analyzing the 476 currencies, like 476 times, that means crazy. That is why it is taking time a lot. So yeah, 476. It's so much. Signing off, brother. Signing off. Someone is lasering. Look at this.